What if I told you that not showing your face on YouTube isn't hiding, it's surviving, choosing peace, and still showing up? This video isn't about asking for sympathy or playing the victim. It's about explaining why faceless YouTubing exists for people who don't always have the luxury of being on camera, whether that's because of health, confidence, or deeply personal reasons. For some of us, it's not about reading scripts or using teleprompters perfectly. Conditions like epilepsy can cause small mental delays that most people don't understand, and explaining them every time can feel exhausting and embarrassing. Yet the goal never changes: to stay informed, earn a living, and share real value. And I'm endlessly grateful to the subscribers who support that mission. Others avoid the camera because they're fighting battles you can't always see: severe eczema, acne, scarring, psoriasis, things that can crush confidence and make public judgment unbearable. And those struggles deserve understanding, not assumptions about gaming the system. There are also creators who physically cannot move, who depend on faceless YouTubing not just as a choice, but as a lifeline. And thanks to platforms like YouTube and tools powered by AI, opportunity no longer requires visibility. AI isn't cheating, it's a tool, and it's shaping a future where more people can participate, contribute, and thrive. Maybe one day, many of us, including myself, will feel confident enough to be on camera despite our disabilities or fears, or brave enough to show our most vulnerable selves. But until then, being faceless isn't weakness, it's autonomy, access, and dignity. On this channel, I share how people can use faceless AI methods to grow financially through YouTube. And if this message resonated with you, please like, comment, and subscribe, because everyone deserves a chance to be heard, even if they're never seen.